Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Kent Public High School and Boys College, Wadat Colony, Texla for online class session. Today we are going to discuss programming environment. Programming environment is the set of processes and programming tools used to develop computer program. In past, programmers used various standalone programming tools for developing computer programs. These include editors, compilers, linker, and debugger. Use separate program provide a difficult and time-consuming environment for creating computer programs. Today, programmers use integrated development environment for developing computer program. Integrated development environment is an application package that consists of editors, compilers, linkers, and debugger with graphical user interface. Now we will discuss in details integrated development environment. Most of new programming languages used integrated development environment to create, compile, and run programs. IDE integrated development environment is a computer software that brings all the processes and tools required for program developed into one place. IDEs aims to make life of programmer easier by grouping together all the tasks needed for building applications into one environment. Today's modern IDEs have user-friendly graphical users interface. Now we will discuss programming environments of C language. A C language integrated development environment consists of following modules: text editors, compiler, linker, loader, and debugger. First, we will discuss text editor. Text editor is a simple word processor that is used to create and edit source code of a program. Files created by a text editor are plain text files. Most of the editors automatically highlights compile errors to simply removing them. Now, compiler. A compiler is a computer software that translates C language program into machine code that can be understood and executed by the computer. It is also detects syntax error in the source program and gives hints to the programmers to correct them. A compiler will only create object program if all the syntax errors in a program have been corrected if they existed. A program written in C language has the extension .c, and after compilation the object program extension will be .obj. Here some sequence of compiler working. First of all, source program move to computer software and computer software converts into object program, and the object program moves to linker software. Linker software parallel connect with C library functions and executable file. Now we will discuss linker. Linker is a software that translates object program into a single executable program. During this process, if it could not find the definition of particular function that is used in the program, then it would assume that it is defined in C library. It will replace this function in the object program with the code from C library and then create a single executable program. And the next is loader and debugger. Loader is a software that loads program into memory and then execute them And the debugger is a software that executes a program line by line, examines the values stored in a variable, and helps in finding and removing errors in a programs. That's all for today. In the next session we will discuss programming basics.